We are pleased to be on this day, on this live streaming. We are from
Curaçao.
And this powerful Seventh-day Adventist youth of Curaçao did different kind of activities during this day and also during this week. And Chris and George will tell us about these activities.
Yes, we had some of our young people, they went out to wash police cars. Can you imagine? The police protect the country, but now we pay them forward. We washed their cars for them. Also, we had young people measuring blood pressure from the passerbyers and praying for them, letting them know that God will listen to them, God will help them. Also, we had young people going to elderly homes, singing for them, preaching to them, letting them feel themselves well and getting the attention they lack so much. We also had people who fed the poor.
Exactly.
Many people walk around without food, and our young people, our tremendous young people, went out today and they fed the poor. And it's not only today, they've been going out throughout the week. We also had some who painted a school, so when the students go out, they would see their schools brand new. So they would get encouraged to start learning again. And we also had sharing of water, bottle of waters, we had sharing of bread, and they preached and talked to the people, explaining them what God means to them. And the most important point, the most beautiful point I found is when they went into a bus, they stopped the bus along the road, they stepped in and they shared bottles of water to all of the passengers in the bus. How do you like that?
That's amazing. And you know what, Christy? And the word Curaçao is like David. Small in its size, but powerful in its Seventh-day Adventist youth.
Exactly.
And with that, we want to say that we from Curaçao are...
We